Understanding Scalp Flakiness, an English language guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very specific phrase, scalp flakiness. Whether you're a language learner or just curious about English phrases, this video will help you understand what scalp flakiness means, how it's used, and its context in everyday conversation. Scalp flakiness refers to a condition where the skin on the scalp, the part of your head covered by hair, becomes dry and starts peeling off. This condition is often associated with dandruff, which is the presence of small white flakes in the hair. It's important to note that scalp flakiness can be caused by various factors such as dry skin, sensitivity to hair products, or skin conditions like eczema. To help you understand how to use scalp flakiness in a sentence, here are a few examples. I need to change my shampoo to deal with my scalp flakiness. Do you have any recommendations for treating scalp flakiness? Scalp flakiness can be embarrassing, but it's a common issue. These examples show how the phrase can be used in everyday conversations, especially in the context of personal care or health. Understanding synonyms and related terms can help you better grasp the concept of scalp flakiness. Some synonyms include dandruff. Though slightly different, it's often used interchangeably with scalp flakiness. Dry scalp indicates the dryness aspect of the condition. Peeling scalp, another way to describe the physical symptom of flakiness. We hope this video has been informative and helps you understand the meaning and use of scalp flakiness. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the little nuances and phrases that native speakers use. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.